welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute. Don't judge me though. But I'm glad that y'all have tuned in. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. And again, if you already have, thank you for coming back. The last video that I posted was on my wig install. I'll leave the link to that video below if you're interested in watching it. With this whole pandemic, me going back to work, my job reopening, it's just been a little hectic and your girl been tired. But there's no excuses. I'm here to bring you a new video on how I got this little do. I cut my hair a little shorter. Y'all, this pandemic will have you doing stuff you know you ain't supposed to be doing. Now, who told me to go get the clippers and scissors and just get the cutting? Nobody. But when you at home, can't go nowhere, can't do nothing, trying to stay safe, I mean, stuff like this happens. So this is the look and the style that I came up with. I just cut my sides a little shorter than what they previously were, or how it previously was. It was a little longer. I'll insert a picture here somewhere so that you can see what it was like before. And this is the style, the look that I've come up with now. If you're interested in seeing how I achieve this look, stay. So before we get started, I also have a video of me doing my wash and go using this Extreme gel along with the Long Aid Activator gel. That video will be uploaded soon, so stay tuned on that. I'm gonna go in and use the same gel, no activator gel this time, just the gel, to do my wash and go on dry hair. First of all, I'm gonna go in with some oil and just run it through my hair. Come in just a little bit. So I'm gonna save the top for last. I'm just gonna pin this out of the way. Then I'm gonna go in with this Extreme gel. And when I say I'm gonna use a heavy hand, I'm gonna use a heavy hand. So what you wanna do is just kind of rub it all the way through. Cause like I said, I'm doing this right now on dry hair. So I am saturating the hair with just using the gel. And then I'm gonna go in smaller sections. Y'all can see already it's curling pretty nicely. So all I'm gonna do, no, I lied. I was gonna say the only thing I'm gonna use is this comb, but I'm gonna use this dimming brush too to kind of just brush that product through. So let me turn around so y'all can see what I'm doing. Taking the hair and taking the gel and kind of saturating that gel through the hair. And then I'm just brushing it. Brushing it through. And I'm using the wrist now and flipping the hair as I brush, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna speed through this portion. I'm just using my fingers to section off my hair, taking the gel and putting it all through that particular section. And then I'm going in with the dimming brush to brush that gel through and then flipping the brush to form my curls. So keep watching. So now I'm gonna kind of do a finger wave motion with this top part. Oh, my sides. So now I'm just separating the shorter pieces from the longer pieces. And then I'm gonna move this out of the way. So I'm gonna take this BB wrapping lotion mousse and put that all through. Sorry, I lost my comb for a minute. So I'm going to comb that through. Y'all, some of my makeup is coming off. I couldn't come on here looking a mess, y'all. I haven't worn makeup in so long since this pandemic started. So the only time you'll see me wearing makeup is pretty much when I'm on here. Then I'm gonna take the gel and kind of saturate my hair again with it. Kind of comb it through, and then y'all have to play with this. Then I'm going to kind of slick this portion down. Y'all see? Kind of like a finger wave, you know? Yes. And then the other parts, I'm just gonna use the comb, still flipping the hair as I comb through, the same way that I did with the Denman brush, and just kind of flip it towards my face. Not away, but towards my face. Y'all see that? So now I'm just gonna finish this side, and I'm still just taking the gel, and here I'm using the comb, kind of combing that through. Let me work on this side. Y'all, this side always gives me trouble. Like, always gives me trouble. And then I'll finish the back. Oh no, let me finish the back. And then I'll work my way to this side. So, let me turn around. Now I'm gonna start on this side. Y'all keep dropping stuff. So again, I'm gonna take the mousse. Let me separate. And I usually tie the sides down. Usually tie the sides down once I'm done sweeping and whatnot. But for the sake of this video, I'm not going to. I can never get this side to look like this side. So y'all, we just gonna work, you know, do what we can. Get this makeup off my hair on. Yeah, that's as good as this side is gonna get. So now I am going to start on this section. Okay, I am finished with the top. And this is the final look. I hope y'all enjoyed this short, I guess tutorial on my wash and go, how I style my hair now. If you are interested in seeing more videos, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so that you'll know when I post new videos. Be on the lookout for a few videos coming up real soon. Until next time, I'll see y'all in the next one.